Hi friends, let's work out a few problems in linear equations. So the first problem is write in standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So if we are given x minus 4 is equal to root 3y. So if we want to write this into standard form, we can make it as x, we write it as x minus root 3y minus 4 equal to 0. So root 3y we have just taken that side. So now we can see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus root 3 and c equal to minus 4. Okay. So similarly, if you want to write 2x minus y in standard form, we can write it as, so 2x minus y minus 0 equal to 0, or you can do plus also, so it doesn't matter. So here you can again see that a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 0. Okay. If you want to do it for this, x minus y by 5 is equal to 9.35 recurring. Now remember, 9.35 recurring is nothing but 9.3555 dot. Okay. So while converting it into standard form, it doesn't matter, but just a note. So here we can rewrite it as x minus y by 5 minus 9.35 recurring is equal to 0. So in this case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 by 5 and c is equal to minus 9.35 recurring. Okay. So if you want to write this equation in the standard form, we have just got y minus 2 is equal to 0. You can write it as 0 multiplied by x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. In this case, a equal to 0, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 2. Okay. So the next problem is cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen, expressed as a linear equation. Okay. So let the cost of the notebook be called n. Okay. And let the cost of the pen be denoted by p. Now what the problem is saying is cost of notebook is two times multiplied by cost of pen. So they are saying this is 2 times the cost of pen. So n is equal to 2p, where n is the cost of the notebook and p is the cost of pen, and the linear equation n is equal to 2p would express this relationship. Okay. The next question is find two solutions for. Okay, so we have a linear equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 12, right? If we want to find two solutions for it, the best way to do is, the first solution will be put x is equal to 0 and find out what the y is, and the second solution would be put y is equal to 0 and find what x is. Okay, so these will give you two solutions. So when we put x is equal to 0, right, this will go away, 4x will go away, and y will become 12 divided by 3, that is 4, right? So 0 comma 4 is one solution. Okay. Similarly, if you put y is equal to 0, right, the term 3y will go away and you get x is equal to 12 by 4, that is 3. Okay. So 3 comma 0 is another solution. Okay. Similarly, if you want to solve this problem, 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So you have, if you see that the x doesn't matter, okay, because this can be rewritten as 0x plus 3y is equal to minus 4, correct? So you can see that no matter what you put for x, whether x is 1, whether x is 2, etc., it doesn't matter because it is multiplied by 0. So if you solve for this, you will get y is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, so one solution can be, if you put x is equal to 1, it's okay. y will be minus 4 by 3. Similarly, if you put x is equal to 2 also, it's okay. Y will still be minus 4 by 3. Okay. So no matter what x is, y will always be minus 4 by 3. So those are the two solutions. For this one, okay, x is equal to 4y. Okay. If you put x is equal to y is equal to 0, right, you get x is also 0. So one solution is 0 comma 0. Okay. Another solution is if you put x is equal to 1, y will be 1 divided by 4 because the 4 will go here to the denominator. So the second solution is if you put x as 1, y will be 1 over 4. Okay, so these are the two solutions. Now the next problem is find value of k if 2 comma 1 is the solution of this. Okay, if 2 comma 1 is the solution of this linear equation, when we substitute 2 comma 1, yeah, this equation should hold. So what will happen here is, so 2 into 2 substituting for x, and 3 into 1 will be k, okay, which means 4 plus 3, that is 7 is equal to k, or the value of k is 7. We have thoroughly studied, digested, thought about and simplified the concepts for you. So please like, share and subscribe.